Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 4 profitable Amazon KDP keywords to do with the dyslexia niche. Now this is part 2. You can find part 1 linked in the description box below this video. Also, you can use these keywords for the title, for the subtitle, and for the 7 keyword slots. We're going to guide you as well during this video to talk about where each keyword is best suitable for as well. We're going to talk about a couple of important things to help you to stand out and be unique. Now the dyslexia niche is a niche that you need to join and you need to embark on, and you need to understand exactly what it is that you're creating, because it can be quite easy to create misleading information. You need to do your research ahead of time, but it is an extremely profitable Amazon KDP niche that once you get your information correct, once you create a really unique, wonderful product that's helpful and that's educational and that really helps people with dyslexia, you're going to reap in the rewards as well. So let's get started with the first keyword for the day. And just before we get started, I'd like to remind you that if you are interested in a daily updated list of profitable Amazon KDP keywords, as well as tips and strategies to help you make passive income online, including writing for Medium and Amazon KDP, click on the subscribe button in order to get our daily videos, and also click on the bell icon in order to be informed on our daily videos as well. Now with that being said, let's get started with the first keyword for the day. And our first keyword for the day is Dyslexia Workbooks for kids 2nd grade. Now this is a great keyword. It has a strong keyword niche score of 73, green light, by self-publishing titans ready to go. Also, the total results are under 1,000, which is ideal, and they're currently sitting at 737. Bestseller rank average is also under 300,000, and it is currently sitting at 233,078. There is a whooping 1,028 average reviews and $10 average price for this wonderful niche right over here. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to ignore the number 5 given by Amazon Scout Pro, because it contradicts this beautiful juicy data that we have right here. Total results under 1,000, average bestseller rank under 300,000, really good amount of reviews, indicating that the customers are willing to engage with the product and with the seller as well, and a really strong solid keyword niche score is all what we need to help us get started. Now our second step also is to dive in and have a look at the books. Preferably we want to get a minimum of 3 books on the first page that have a bestseller rank of 100,000 or below. This one here, for example, has 57,499. This one is in the 400,000. This one is our second one, which has 17,624. We've got also this product right here, which is got 9,504. That's our 3 minimum number of books shown on the first page that are not sponsored, that have a bestseller rank of 100,000 or more. Now also we would want to look at some of the really good selling books with a good bestseller rank, which we can get access to right over here, and we want to have a look at when they were published, preferably also the categories that they're published in, as well as some unique information to help us, to inspire us to choose the right categories for the book, and to also have a sneak peek at the reviews section, see if there's something that we can be able to benefit from, something that the customers will want that is missing from the book that we can add in our own book. Or a couple of important things is to bear in mind the negative reviews also and take them into account, because these can really help to guide us on what things we can do to avoid getting the same negative reviews. Is it something that we're in control of, such as, for example, the quality of the book in terms of the interior contents of the book, or is it something to do with printing quality or anything to do with shipping or anything like that that we do not have control of and that Amazon fully controls? And that way we know that the problem is not because of the writer itself or the creator. The problem is with the Amazon dashboard. So it's something between the customer and Amazon to solve that way. So Dyslexia Workbooks for kids, second grade is our first keyword for the day. Let's dive into the second keyword for the day. And our second keyword for the day can be used in multiple ways. There is a potential for this book to be used for medium content as well as high content. So it's usually a book that is more to do with high content. In this case, we would create a book about overcoming dyslexia, whether that is niching down to for children, for teenagers, for women, for adults, for seniors. That way, with maybe tips and strategies, we could involve some number data in there to really help to encourage potential customers. For example, 30 strategies to overcome dyslexia in the classroom, or overcome dyslexia just generally, or maybe apps to help to overcome or manage or deal with dyslexia. Also, if we are creating any of the workbooks for the keywords that I have been sharing with you about dyslexia, we could involve this wonderful keyword as part of the 7 keyword slots as well, because it would really help to boost other rankings. It would help to show our book on this page under this keyword, overcoming dyslexia. So here we have the total results sitting at 199, which is under 1,000. Average bestseller rank is under 300,000. So it is ideal, and it is averaging 281,122, and average reviews at 897. Average price is $13.89, and we have a number 8 for the keyword niche score given by Amazon's Cat Pro Chrome extension. Number 9 is the highest. Number 8 is quite good as well. So that was the second keyword, overcoming dyslexia. Let's have a look at the third keyword for the day, which is Dyslexia Workbook for teens. Amazing keyword, amazing potential. First off, we have a solid and strong keyword niche score by Self-Publishing Titan's Chrome extension, which gives us a 73. We're all happy with that. And then Amazon's Cat Pro also confirms that and gives us a number 6, which is quite good for a keyword niche score. And it categorizes this keyword as a nice niche. Also, coming into the total results, we have the total results sitting at 215, under 1,000. Average bestseller rank is currently under 300,000, which is averaging 169,789. Average reviews are 660. Average price is $13.09. Scrolling down here and avoiding the sponsored books, we do have books also that have a bestseller rank that are selling quite well as well. For example, this one is under 100,000, sitting at 84,970. Another book under 100,000 is the bestseller, so that's 2 books altogether. We have a third book that's under 100,000, and it is 3,502. Notice that it's not for dyslexia, to be specific. So it's not purely for dyslexia. It is a print handwriting workbook for teens, and it improves the printing, handwriting, and practice print workbook for teens and tweens. So why is it showing on the first page for the keyword Dyslexia Workbook for teens? Because they've managed to use it they've managed to include this keyword for the 7 keyword slots, because dyslexia people, teenagers with dyslexia, have one of the challenges is with their handwriting, and to get their handwriting practice in check. So that would be quite helpful for them. So that's why they've included that and got their book on the first page for this keyword. The same thing here when it comes to this one. It's not purely about dyslexia, but it is something that dyslexia children or teenagers also struggle with, which is executive functioning. And this is a workbook for children that is designed to help with improving their executive functioning skills as well. So we have managed to find over 3 books with a bestseller rank. This is the 4th book with a bestseller rank of 100,000 or less, and this one's sitting at 1,782. Another one with 28,000. So you get the way things are going here. First of all, you look at the keyword, you look at the search results, you've got 2 extensions that you rely on for the keyword niche score, and Once everything's all in check in terms of the data here, the final step is to look at a minimum of 3 books on the first page with a bestseller rank of 100,000 or less. So that was for the third keyword. Let's have a look at our final fourth keyword for the day, and it is Dyslexia Workbook for college students. Dyslexia Workbook for college students. It's also a great a keyword to use. Then you could utilize this for the title, for the subtitle, or for the 7 keyword slots. But if you do put it for the title or subtitle, make sure that it is exactly specific to college students. And it is a dyslexia workbook, helping them with multiple things such as handwriting practice, maybe providing them tips and tricks to help them with memorizing, helping them with studying and so forth, activities to improve their reading, writing skills specifically for college students. So the contents will be much more detailed in this case. So we have a keyword niche score of 40 by Titans, and we have a keyword niche score number 6 by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension. Both complement each other beautifully. Coming to the total results, they are at under 1,000, and the total results are 132. We also have the average bestseller rank sitting within that 300,000 range, so that is also a good indication, and it is sitting at 346. The average reviews are 1,042. Average price is $12.61. Scrolling down, avoiding the sponsored, we have our first book under 100,000 as a bestseller, sitting at 46,000. Second book under 14,000. The third book is 4,000 also, so that's basically 3 books under 100,000 for the bestseller. Also the fourth book, 1,600 for the bestseller, 1,700, and we've got 102, and these are 4,000. So just by looking now, we have about 7 books with a bestseller rank of under 100,000 for this keyword right over here. I've shared with you today 4 dyslexia keywords. This is part 2. Stay tuned for part 3. I'll see you in the next video.